Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to rename your earbud SOUNDPEATS Opera05 on your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here we have a name. Near to the name we have this pencil icon. You need to tap on it. On some devices this pencil icon located at the right top, and some Android phones haven't this pencil icon, they have only a line with a name, so then you need to tap at this line. Now let's tap on it, and right here write the best one for you. Let's say I wanna add this text. You can also remove some text if you need it. The most important that after you finish, click Rename to save this new name. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!